See, that's the thing that I was saying. Do we have a pool from the school, or do we get from somewhere else?
Somewhere else.
Oh, dali nung
The students are common.
Nag-iisa lang yata.
There's some people.
Kasi inside the church, may apat na adults and the 8th graders. Ito pa ang ano ni sister, we don't know how many ang makukuha ko sa 8th graders at how many pa ang sasali sa Sagalas.
No, hindi.
Gusto niya kasi, yung kung meron gusto sumali sa Sagalas, okay. Yung iba, mag-ano sila, serve sila. Pero talagang gusto niya ma-involve ang mga bata during the Santa Cruzan.
Yes.
Yeah, because we didn't just limit it to mag-usher. She asked what if they want to join the procession. They can join the procession at Sagalas. And then for the kindergarteners, because we already have yung 8 natin Ate Maria, then we could get extra. Well, kung meron, we can say na. Nandun sila, we just told them to wear white and a halo.
Yeah. How about yung, di ba, sabi ko may mag-iisa ng bulaklak sa daan?
Ay,
Wala na?
Bawal.
Bawal.
Bawal din yun.
Bawal din yun.
Insurance na yun. Problem yun.
Also, the religious education.
Okay.
What's her name? Josie
Josie.
wants to be involved, and she wants if you
Amen.
could talk to her because she has a lot of students that are graduating and they have gone so. And then she could inform the parents how to go through.
Yeah, but before we can start with that, we need a letter from the organization to be sent to the parents.
Which parents are those?
Yeah, yun nga. Which parents? The 8th graders' parents.
Oh, we already have
We
it.
already have a
We have
letter.
that. We have it. We'll give it to you now.
Oh, nga.
Okay.
Okay.
Yung kinder.
And the kinder, the 8 angels.
No, wait.
What I gathered from Miss Villa is Sister Rosario requested her to make a letter for the parents of the kindergarten.
We have a letter here. No, that is a different thing.
Kinder is different.
Kinder for one.
Yung participate, di ba?
To participate like as
Kami ang 8 angels.
Oh,
This is separate thing for me. Oh, letter is for ushers.
Ushers and
Is that the whole, what I was trying to tell Miss Villa is that I told her, I know that we need 4 boys and 4 girls for the one in the church, right? Inside the church.
Angels.
And how about the one, she was telling me the whole kindergarten for the angels?
No. What is it called?
We didn't
Hindi
She was asking me and I said, you better clarify it before you send the letter.
Parang invitation, whoever will come, we're not requiring all of the
You
kindergarten.
invite everyone, but only will respond to.
Yeah.
Kaya na everybody's being invited, but only few that showed up.
So that is a different story. Our letter is for ushers, so that's what Charity would write a letter to the parents to invite the kindergarten to be angels.
Yes, that
That's what you're saying.
the instruction should
Let them
have
do it.
Sister
Let
Rosario.
them do it. If Sister Rosario gave instructions for that.
Yeah, but I told her to clarify because I thought we only need 8.
Bakit kayo mag-invite ng marami? Walo lang kailangan.
Yun ang sinabi namin nung nagpapagod sa
She said, we cannot just limit it to 8.
Yeah.
You are inviting the whole kindergarten.
That's true.
Okay, because she said 8 lang. I cannot say na.
Okay, so this is what I'm going to do.
Yeah.
Okay, you have to choose your own 8, but then the rest
can join. Yes.
Okay.
Ayun mo natin pwede i-limit.
I'm asking a favor. I cannot limit.
That's good. The bibigay niya, pushing you to.
She can give more.
Okay, so excuse me. On letters now. But we were talking about Josie of the religious education, who also said yes, girls who can participate. Yes, the 8th grade also from St. John. Therefore, we do not use the
Excuse me. Are we, the 10 ushers we're referring to earlier, are we talking about adult ushers?
Adult.
Or, okay. Because the Cursillios members of our class are asking in what particular areas they could help because they're asking
Ushers.
So, yun kaya, kung kailangan natin ng
Procession ushers.
clarify kung si Kuya Bull sa si Kuya Danny mag-a-attend. Kasi ito yung nagko-connecta yata kayo nung sino ba nagpag-nagminisa?
Yan sila.
1 o'clock. Sila. So meron pang ipa-plasa na natin ngayon para makipag-coordinate tayo din kay Kileti, because they're asking, ano po yung kailangan natin.
Yes.
So, kung kailangan natin ng 10, isang Cursillios class namin, willing na mag-provide ng
Now, yung sa Cursillios class, I don't know how many there are. So, but we need, critical is, number of answers we can limit it inside the church. But the procession, yun ang kailangan na medyo madaling ayusin nyo kasi we will be delayed. We have to
Suggesting sa'yo so you could get a lot of answers. Magsabi ka na ang quick to whatever you want.
Ano bang basta, kailangan natin maximum number of ushers. Give me a 10. Maximum 10.
No, ushers inside the church.
Outside.
Okay na yan, okay na yan.
Procession po.
Procession.
Pero yung sa procession, di ba, gagamitin kayo ng 8th graders. Kung gagamitin nyo humingi na kayo ng tulong para sa 8th graders, linawin nyo kung gagawin nyo yung 8th graders kasi humingi na kayo ng tulong sa school para gamitin yung 8th graders. Saan nyo gagamitin?
Akala ko yung 8 graders para sa mga arko and everything.
Yeah.
right?
Yeah.
We can use it in the art.
Yeah.
It looks like
thrown freely. 8th graders.
Oo nga.
You need to have to identify
How
what their
many?
roles are.
Yeah.
Because it looks like they've been thrown so many times and
Yeah.
there's no definite role.
They should have a job description.
Kasi wala pa tayong, first we don't have the response. We don't know how many
Exactly.
8 graders are definitely coming. Same with the kindergarten. So the thing is, right now we don't know how many are gonna come in. So once we can determine or we can probably make a guesstimate, so and so number will appear, then we can already divide them into, okay, this will be ushers inside the church, this will be part of the
But
procession.
at least now, we should have, kunyari po kasi pag nagpaplano, ang alam mo pagpaplano, bago kahit hindi mo pa alam kung ilan ang darating, alam mo yung kailan ang kailangan.
I think it is the job of the person in charge to really have a sign-up sheet.
Yes.
Alam na nila, it's the job of the in charge to really ask these persons, point persons, ilan talaga yung aating in charge.
I think the in charge should look for those people and not to depend on another person to look for that
Yeah.
people.
8 people, 8 graders.
I don't know what you want, an adult or a child.
No,
but
no,
you
no,
have
no,
to have
you
a
need adult.
definite role.
Hindi kasi yung 10, given na tayo 10, kailangan natin sa loob ng simbahan. Those people will be adults.
Okay.
That's given.
You need a
Alright.
name.
Sarado na yun. Yung names, ibibigay ko within this week. Number 2, ang kailangan natin, ilan ang kailangan yung assistant sa loob ng simbahan from whether 8 graders or what. Basta runner. Ilan pang addition to that 10 ang kailangan sa loob ng simbahan?
That's 10 more?
I think you need 10 more.
How many do you need inside the church?
Yeah, how many more do we need inside the church?
You had a
I think that's
collection, right?
not
You
much.
have to need a collection.
Yeah, 5 in the other side, 5 in the other side.
You need the answers inside the adult. You need also to get, for the basket, that's a difference. Collection.
Opo, pero hindi naman sabay-sabay yung nangyayari.
Yeah, but you have to separate the collection. It might be you ask that's why you need, if the 8th graders are there, or either they're there or not, you need 10 people as adult ushers just to inside. Plus, you have at least 6 of those, Danny and the kids for the collection.
So, okay.
Automatically, you have to have those people there.
Plus 6 for collection.
Collection and 10 for the inside ushers.
So we need 16 people inside the church.
The collection could be kids, could be young adults
Okay.
that we have. Usually
Okay.
we have one.
So outside, how many people do we
Ang
need?
sabi niyo kanina, we need to have a group to receive them outside, right?
Yeah, that's it.
So based on your experience, because I have never participated in any, how many is needed?
The more the better, 20 could be.
20?
Parang marami
Hindi, bigyan. Kasi po yung...
What we need is
Kasi yung
efficiency.
10, pag natapos mo sa loob, ilalabas na. Oo nga.
You understand that? You
Don't make it complicated.
You understand that? Wait,
This is
why you paying so many times? At least, madam,
The same people.
They just-
Organize them inside. You use them outside.
They just know their roles.
So
the
7
shift.
and 10.
Yeah.
Dapat siguro,
Send out, you know.
kasi ako ako, hindi ko alam, sino ba ang chairman yan?
Akala ko po kayo.
Hindi ko alam. Alam ko, miyembro ako. Hindi ako
Akala
miyembro.
ko chairperson. Akala ko kayo chairperson.
Committed tayo.
I was in the Philippines, I don't even know about
No, this is the mentoring part. That's what you learn.
No, culture lang naman yan.
Volunteer Cesar. Okay, okay. Kung ako chairperson, okay, now I know I need to do something.
Right.
I thought I was
Alright, actually, he doesn't know?
I don't know.
I was just basing it from this. So I was looking at
Akala ko miyembro lang ako. Kaya hinahanap ko yung kapwa ko ka-miyembro. Hindi mo nga nakikita miyembro.
Yung nakapitisan, ano siya, member lang. Yung kita na.
Okay.
So, hindi ko alam na na-promote ako. Salamat.
He now knows what to do with a pen and pen.
Okay, so now, plano na. Okay.
Agad. So, okay. Yeah. So, ang manpowers they're most welcome.
Yeah.
Okay.
But it's only, we have also to announce
So, I'll just coordinate with you. I need your help.
Tingnan mo.
Hindi, kasi kailangan ma-meet sila. Ma-brief para ma-brief.
Kailangan briefing na.
Ma-briefing sila para alam nila kung ano gagawin nila before the event.
Kaya, so wala, ano na kayo, yun na rin sabi sa labas. Parang wala na tulong.
Okay, that's what it is.
Yan na.
So, we have Santa Cruzan.
Kaya pala parang
It's in the laundry room.
here. Everybody, we have a guest. We have a total of 10. Whether for first year or not.
This, yeah. But the only thing is, it is, how do you call this?
But you have to
This is
teach for the
inviting
collection,
others.
right?
Yeah.
This is for the collection for the kids.
Whoever will get grade 8.
I would like to introduce first is, she's from the same principal in the Filipino ministry over there. So we invite her to join some,
Welcome po, welcome. Welcome to St. John, Santa Cruzan.
They can share this space.
And Father Ezra.
Of course, we know her.
Invitations are placed.
Of course, they know her.
What was the invitation for the graded? What was their role?
Pati,
I have the pictures.
Clarify ko nga kasi are they gonna be part of it?
pictures. Okay. You're going to give it to me for scanning, the pictures of the kids?
Yeah, I have it in the front.
Okay, I want to let me
Ma'am,